Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Realme X2 Pro device after using for more than 250 days. So yes friends, it's been close to 9 months of using this Realme X2 Pro which is with me, and a lot of users got inspired by watching my videos and they did purchase the Realme X2 Pro device, and I got plenty of subscribers in my channel so who are using the Realme X2 Pro. And this is the time for you to comment below what are the things you like and what are the things you don't like about the phone. So let's see, it will be very helpful for the new users who are deciding to buy the phone. They can go to the comments and they can see what are the drawbacks and positive things about the mobile phone. So in this video I'll be covering all the aspects about the Realme X2 Pro device in terms of software, battery, performance, display, camera, connectivity, build quality and extra other things what I like about this Realme X2 Pro device. And in case if you're seriously looking to buy this phone, try to watch till end of the video, and don't forget to check the playlist of the Realme X2 Pro device. In case if you want to know more in-depth details, in-depth reviews, I have already done more than 192 videos on the Realme X2 Pro. So try to check the links in description if you are seriously interested to buy the Realme X2 Pro device. So first, let me start with the software update. So most of the users, if they are spending above 25,000 or 26,000, they are really worried should they trust about the Realme brand, or if the software updates will be good or not. So this was the same thought from me as well. The software updates, in the beginning I thought I won't be getting a lot, but later on I started to receive the software updates for I think regularly monthly once, or at least minimum 2 months I used to receive one update. So in terms of the updates, there is no issue at all, and every time I got the update there are so many things got fixed, but one thing is still needed to be fixed, which is the battery thing, which I'll be talking in the another section. So overall, in terms of the software updates, I'm pretty much happy in the Realme X2 Pro. So from the time to till now, I can definitely see there's a huge change in terms of UI interface and everything, all the features. Even today, before making this video, I got the update received in the Realme X2 Pro, which is 11.c.20 to 28. So in case if you are using the Realme X2 Pro and you did not receive, don't worry, you will get this update, and which has got tons of features inbuilt. So there are so many features with this update which are need to be I'll be describing in another video. So in the software updates, I'm pretty much happy. Definitely you can use this mobile phone for the next 2 to 3 years or 4 years as well with this kind of phone. So next, let me talk about the battery and charging. So in terms of the first, let me talk battery. So in terms of the battery, the phone has 4000 mAh of battery capacity, and for the 1 day of usage, you can definitely use this mobile phone without any problem. If you're a kind of person going to work at morning 9 and coming back at evening 8, so you'll be end up having the battery close to 45% or 40% without any problem at all. So if you're more into gaming and heavy usage of the phone, you can expect to last till 15% without any issue. And another good thing is that charging speed. Even after this 9 months of using this Realme X2 Pro, that still the charging speed is very fast. So that's why I decided to do another video especially for the charging speed only. If you are interested, you can check that video as well. So in the charging speed, even till today, I am getting the charging speed very good. The 0 to 100 took about in the test which I have done 30 minutes, so which is very good and impressive. So there is no issue in the charging. But in the battery, only after the Realme UI update and a few updates, the battery got a little bit affected. The screen on time in the beginning, I used to get close to around maybe 5 hours or 6 hours, but now I am getting close to 4 to 5 hours like that screen on time. But this is a screen on time which I am using with a 90 Hz refresh rate. So that's the one advantage with this phone which has a 90 Hz. So I'm a kind of person who will charge the phone every day, so I no need to use 60 Hz to save the battery. I want to use the phone with the full potential, so that's why I'll be sticking to the 90 Hz. So with the 90 Hz, I'm talking the screen on time and everything. So in terms of the battery, I am okay, and charging speed, I am very okay. So next is the performance. So the phone has a Snapdragon 855 plus processor, so which is also another good processor even in the 2020, I can say. So from the time to till now, I have installed so many games, so many applications, so many things I have done and tested in the Realme X2 Pro. So they are pretty huge games, Fortnite and Asphalt 9. They are heavy games that I tried in this phone. So I did not face any issues at all from the time to till now in this phone. As you can see, I have installed close to more than 150 plus applications in my Realme X2 Pro device. So in case if you're wondering, definitely in every phone whatever I got right now, I'll be installing so many applications and testing a lot. So in the performance I did not face any issues even till today. Snapdragon 855 Plus is very good for the next 2 years or 3 years as well, so that can be other guarantee. So in the performance also I am very much happy. So next is a display. Display is another best thing about the Realme X2 Pro device. So let me try to play one of the video so which will demonstrate the display performance and capabilities of this phone. So right now I'm playing this video, friends. This is a 8K video footage. If you want to download this 8K video footage, so join in my Telegram groups. In my Telegram group, I have directly uploaded the 8K video footage, so where you can try this 8K video in your smartphone if you are interested. So definitely join in my Telegram group for more information as well. So as you can see, the display has a very good viewing angles and very good color combination here, which has AMOLED panels and HDR10 plus certified 90Hz refresh rate. These are the biggest highlight points for the Realme X2 Pro. You can definitely use for the next 3 to 4 years without any issue. So even the screen size is also pretty good and pretty large. So I don't have any issues with the phone in terms of the display. Display 5 out of 5 without any problem. So next is the camera. The phone has quad camera setup. So nowadays everyone need the quad camera setup, so they are very much into, you may not be using or not, but still you are into that kind of thing. Having more cameras is a good thing, so it's better to have rather than feeling regret for not buying the phone which has 4 cameras. So you got the 4 cameras and macro, ultra wide and normal camera. So one is a depth sensor as well. So in terms of the camera I did not have any issues, and everything was good and fine. Even front camera, all the things are very fine. So even the camera interface got little bit redesigned, and you also have the ultra steady mode where you can see the ultra steady shots you can get here, so which is also good thing. And you do have the 960 fps slow motion shot in the Realme X2 Pro. So in the camera I am pretty much happy, and I am okay with the camera specifications it has got. And so in terms of the camera, no problem. And next is the connectivity. So right now we are into stage of going 5G stage, but at the moment if you are a kind of person who likes to have the future proof of 5G, then this is not the phone for you. And if you're the kind of person who doesn't care 5G, so you're happy with the 4G, then this is the best phone. You do have very good Wi-Fi connection and very good Wi-Fi network. So there's not at all one time I felt the Wi-Fi connection is bad. And I can give you one example is that usually I will be using this option which is called a Wi-Fi tethering, and I'll be sharing the Wi-Fi connection from the phone to the other smartphones. So in other smartphones I used to not get that kind of Wi-Fi reception, so I used to share this Wi-Fi tethering option more often. So if you want, you can use this Wi-Fi tethering as well. So in terms of connectivity, very good, very happy. Even you do have the NFC for the payments and everything. So as a future proof option, you do have everything here. So in the connectivity option, good, so no issues. So next is the build quality. So in terms of build quality and speakers, you do have the dual stereo speaker setup. So these are not commonly seen dual stereo speaker setup in smartphones, but that's a good advantage. This is another big thing for me, friends. Most of the time I do watch the video songs watching in full loudspeaker mode, and I like watching in the loudspeaker because of this dual stereo speaker setup, so which is also another my favorite feature about the Realme X2 Pro device. And talking about the build quality, you do have the 3.5mm jack, so that's another bonus advantage here. Type C, and as you can see here, everything is good. And let me try to check the weight of the phone. So as you can see, 202 grams. So even this may not be that accurate, the weight gram, it can be 2 grams or 3 grams, a little bit here and there, but you can understand even the phone weight is not too much. It's very good having the phone weight close to the 200 grams mark, so that also gives a very good grip as well for you. So overall, in terms of build quality and speakers, I am pretty much happy, no issues from the long time using this mobile phone. So next is that extra features. So extra features, as I said, the software is one of the other good thing about this phone. I did not see much ads in this Realme OS at the moment. And extra features like Wi-Fi tethering and dual Wi-Fi connection, as you can see, dual Wi-Fi acceleration, and system-wide dark mode integration with the third-party applications as well. Dark mode, as you can see, with the latest update, you can use with the dark mode in the WhatsApp, Flipkart, or any other third-party applications. And having the black and white mode as well. As you can see in the high comfort, you do have this kind of black and white mode where you can use the complete phone in the black and white if you enable this option, so which is also another good feature. If you want, you can try in your smartphone as well. So there are small software features which I mainly like personally about this mobile phone of the Realme X2 Pro. So next, another features include, I forgot to mention about the Face ID and fingerprint scanning. As you can see, Face ID and fingerprint scanning is very fast and very good. So this is another special features I do like about this phone. The fingerprint scanner is the in-display fingerprint scanner, which is pretty convenient to unlock the device when it's placed on the table, and you can just unlock without even lifting the phone. So that's another good thing about this in-display fingerprint scanner. So overall, this is a quick update regarding the Realme X2 Pro. I hope you like this video, and this should be helpful for you all in case if you are planning to buy the phone at the moment or not. So right now the conclusion is that I'm happy with the phone after long time usage. I'm very much happy, and I did not have any regrets about buying this phone at all. So hope you will also be very much happy with this Realme X2 Pro in case if you are planning to buy the phone, or if you already bought the phone. So do comment below what are your things you like about the Realme X2 Pro. So thank you for watching this video till end so that you can understand more about this phone. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.